In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom status in Google Chat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let teammates know what you're doing and when you'll be back, without sending a single message. This is perfect for moments when you're in a meeting, focusing on deep work, or stepping away for lunch, and you want your availability to be clear at a glance. First, open Google Chat. You can do this from the web at chat.google.com, from the Chat app, or from the Chat tab inside Gmail, whichever you typically use. Give the page a moment to load your conversations so everything is up to date. At the top of the window, look for your current status area. This is the small drop-down that often shows something like Active, Do Not Disturb, or a time-based note such as Until 1:23 p.m. Click that status drop-down. This is your control center for presence and availability, and it's where you'll find the option to customize what others see next to your name. Next, select Add a Status. This is different from the standard presets because it lets you write a message that fits your exact situation. Presets are quick, but a custom status helps your coworkers understand context, like heads down on quarterly report, or back from lunch at 2 o'clock. Type your custom message in the field provided. Keep it short, specific, and helpful. Aim for a phrase that sets expectations clearly, such as, in a client meeting, replies may be delayed. If it's useful, include a return time so people know when to try you again. You can also keep the tone friendly while staying professional. Think of it as a small note you're posting for your team. Now set the duration. Choose how long you want this status to remain visible. Options typically include a set number of minutes or hours, or a schedule like today. Pick the one that best matches your situation. The duration ensures your status clears automatically when the time is up, so you don't have to remember to turn it off later. If your timing is flexible, choose a window that safely covers your away period. Finally, click Done. You'll see your new status appear at the top and next to your name so others can immediately understand your availability. That's all there is to it. You've created a clear, time-bound message that helps your team collaborate with fewer interruptions and more certainty.